starting in Prodigy 4.3.0, there is a new way of navigating through the menus and the button banner. To activate that navigation, go into Settings, Audio, Speech, turn on your speech. By turning on the speech, the menus will be all voiced. Now, for example, if I'm in my carousel, it will voice the icon that's in the middle of my screen. If I want to go in the magnifier and use the magnifier and navigate through the button banner, what I can do is press and hold 2 fingers on the screen. The navigation will turn on. To go through the button banner, as you can see, there is a locator at the bottom in the button banner, which encircles the capture button. To move to the zoom out, just do a swipe from right to left on the screen. And again, to go to the plus or the zoom in, do a swipe from right to left on the screen. You can do also a swipe from the left to right, and it will go the other direction. To activate the feature that you're on, just tap on the screen, anywhere in the screen, and the magnification will be activated. To turn off the navigation, just do a press and hold of 2 fingers on the screen, and navigation will be off.